price has been affected. I have not been paid because there is company under the chairmanship of the UD Secretary in Government of India. Normal decision they have taken. I am not in touch.
This is a fact, but every time the sufferer are the citizens of Bangalore, whenever there is a price hike in metro fare, every time the sufferer are common citizens. From that point of view.
Sir, almost 74% has been hiked.
You think that-
last 6 months. Almost, when you calculate the whole thing, almost 75% has been hiked in the last 6 months.
No, I don't think. But now only a small
Now it is a small amount, sir.
amount.
But in total,
I have
it
just
is,
discussed with them.
sir, you spoke about
But on the BDA issue on the Bangalore Business Corridor, we have come out with a formula that we are giving about 35% of the land which has been acquired for the road, or 2 times the land value. The third is that we are giving PDR. Fourth is that we are giving FAR. So all this there, all the farmers have come forward, landowners come forward. They are taking today. I started issuing checks to them, TDR certificates to them, land certificates to them. All of them are very happy. We will go ahead with the next 2 years. I see that the road is being constructed.
Yes, sir, Denmark delegation coming with you. Denmark delegation coming.
Denmark delegation and South African also. They came and met me. They wanted to have a better ties with Karnataka, Bangalore. They want to have a better relationship between both countries and the states. I'm very happy one thing that Denmark ambassador office we met the commissioner. I think except Delhi, their office is one in Bangalore. That shows the importance of Bangalore.
Sir, are you expecting call from High Command, sir? This session is got over. Are you expecting call from High Command?
Of course, any political decision High Command will take, definitely they will call us whenever it is required.